In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the camera in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're hopping on a quick call or gearing up for an important video conference, it's crucial to know how to get your camera up and running seamlessly. So, let's dive into making sure your camera ready for your next Microsoft Teams meeting. Let's start with opening your Microsoft Teams application. You can do this by simply going to your desktop or application menu, depending on the device you're using. Once there, double-click on the Microsoft Teams icon to open it. After the app has launched, you'll typically be taken to the home screen, displaying all your Teams activities, chats, and calendar. Make yourself comfortable navigating this space, as it's where you will kick off all your meetings and communications. The next step is to initiate or join a meeting. Look for the Calendar tab on the left-hand side. Clicking on this tab will direct you to a view of your scheduled meetings. If you've already been invited to a meeting, it should appear here, and you can click Join when it's time. Alternatively, if you want to start a new meeting or video call, you can simply hover over the Meet Now button. This will prompt a window where you can either type in a meeting name or simply start by clicking Meet Now again to jump in without further configurations. Now that you're in the meeting space, the main dashboard will appear in front of you. This interface is designed to be intuitive, allowing you to control your audio and video settings smoothly. At the center bottom of the screen, you'll notice a set of icons. Among these is a camera icon, which represents your video settings. If this icon has a line through it, it means your camera is currently off. Clicking this icon will toggle your camera on, allowing others in the meeting to see you. If you're doing this for the first time, your system might prompt you to allow Teams to access your camera. Make sure to accept this prompt, as it's essential for enabling video. Once your camera is on, you should see your video feed in the bottom right corner of the screen. Take a moment to adjust your position and ensure the framing is as you want it. Good lighting is key, so it's beneficial to sit facing a window or a light source to illuminate your face well. Finally, remember that you can switch your camera off at any time by clicking the same camera icon, giving you control over when you want to be on screen. And that's it. You're all set to make the most of your video meetings on Microsoft Teams. Don't forget to end your meeting successfully by clicking the red phone icon to hang up, ensuring your session wraps up as professional and polished as it started. Happy calling!